Welcome to this 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home in Alto Boquete. This home is spacious and clean. Additionally, it is pet-friendly and the owners allow pets to stay. Having a covered parking space is a great advantage, and this property has just that, one covered parking space. Rest assured that your vehicle will be safe and protected from any harsh weather conditions. With our property, you won't have to worry about cramped rooms and cluttered spaces. Our bedrooms are designed to offer you ample space, so you can relax and unwind in ultimate comfort. Plus, we've made sure to include spacious storage closets, so you can conveniently store your belongings without any hassle. You'll be pleased to know that this property is equipped with top-notch amenities, including a convenient laundry area with a washer, dryer, and mop sink. What's more, the entire house has hot water on demand, ensuring that you'll never have to worry about running out of hot water. Relish the spectacular views from this exquisite covered patio, shielded from the rain or sun. Boquete is a small town in western Panama on the Caldero River. The Chiriquí highlands surrounding the town have coffee plantations and the Baru Volcano National Park. The park has the towering Baru volcano, and the Los Quetzals Trail. North of the town is the Bajo Monoloop Drive, providing panoramic forest views. Imagine living in a peaceful and pristine neighborhood, where you can experience the joys of springtime all year round. This could be your very own personal paradise, where you can truly relax and enjoy life to the fullest. Please contact us at freedom55adventure@gmail.com for more information on this unit, and to schedule a showing. Contact info will also be provided at the end of this video. The community play park in Mystic Garden is available to all residents. It features a covered concrete patio and a wet bar, which can be used for larger functions if desired. There are multiple ways to get to downtown Boquete to avoid traffic during rush hour or busy times. By clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications, you can keep up with all the latest videos. Don't miss out on any exciting content. Act now and stay in the loop.